Word, everybody. Tutorial 4, tutorial, and we are opening prevention. It's the third one, prevention. Okay, everybody ready? What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be creating a title using word art, which we have not done so far. We're going to create a newspaper style column document. We're going to insert and edit graphics, wrap text around a graphic, use drop caps, symbols, add a page border to this document. So those are the things that we're going to be working with. So the very first thing that we're going to add is the word art. Everybody's insertion point should be blinking in front of preventing. Let's go to insert on the menu bar, and you're going to go to the very right all the way across your ribbon and click on word art. In word art, you want to choose the purple word art. If you hover your mouse over it, it says word art style 14. Word art style 14. Click on it and you're going to get a dialog box that comes up. And those of you that are following along in your textbook, it's on page WD 151. I know a lot of you just follow along with me, which is fine. In there, you're going to type healthy living. Healthy living. Click OK. And so we now have a word art. Now our word art immediately goes into the spot where our insertion point was. Well, we're going to be editing the location of this, and we're also going to I'm going to show you how we can actually edit something that we already typed. So we're on healthy living, right? Let's say we remember that we needed to add something to it. Go to your ribbon to the very left, the very, very left. And in the text group, it says edit text. Click on edit text, and your text box reappears. So you can always come back here to make changes. Now I want you to go to the end of the G in living and insert an exclamation point. Now, I also want you to click on italics to italicize healthy living. Click OK. So now we've added an exclamation point and use italics. Okay, next, make sure that you are clicked on your word art and come into the word art styles ribbon. If you can see my mouse moving, there it's under the word art tools area. It says change shape. Drop the arrow on change shape. You should get a box like mine and has a bunch of different shapes. We are going to choose the one that is called can up. It's in the first row. It should be your third one, can up. Click on it and it changes the shape of the word art. Everybody with me? Okay. Now we want to use wrap text. We want to move the place or location of healthy living. So come over here to the arrange group, right here in arrange, and click on wrap text. Wrap text. And we want to choose top and bottom. Top and bottom. So now it's above the text so that it's no longer in the way of our subheading, preventing type 2 diabetes. Does everybody get that? Yes? Okay, so now we are going to work with positioning and sizing it. We want to move it and stretch it across the top, guys. So hold the control button on your keyboard. Everybody hold control. And then click on the bottom right corner of your word art. You're gonna click and it turns into a black cross. Does everybody see a black cross? Drag across to about your margin. You see how a line appeared? You don't want to really go past your margin. You want to stop right there. I'm going to delete that. Click. Drag it across. If some of yours extended too much, okay, guys, let's all undo. Let's do an undo. If yours is too big, do undo. Go to your quick access toolbar and hit the undo arrow. Now, okay, don't hold the control button and just click and drag. From the right, from the bottom right. I'm gonna undo. I'm gonna drag my bottom right across to about the 6.5 and release. Did everybody get their word art to stretch? Yes? Isaac, can you open your assignment? Tutorial 4.